Hello! So this is the last place that I'm going to show you in the membership, which is our Basecamp. And the Basecamp is a place, it's your knowledge base. It's where you come back to, where if you feel like you're missing something in your understanding of what we're doing, or if you feel like if you have a few hours to yourself and you want to dive a little bit deeper and maybe spend some time on things that you never allowed yourself the time to do. So I'll take you there and we have a look. So the Basecamp's been here all along, like from the start, and members members have been dipping in and out of it as they need to, and I have used it as well during the so long. Let's say I'm instructing you to go and print your PDF pattern or grade between sizes. If I advise you, oh, maybe you need to grade between sizes, and you don't know how to do this, it's all in your Basecamp. Okay, so all those parts work really well together. So I'm pretty confident that you'll find this a really great place. Now, if you're really new to dressmaking or returning to making clothes or even just sewing, you might want to use this as a course and literally work your way through it. That's kind of up to you. So we have 4 parts. There's the knowing your machine, there's choosing sizes, there's a pattern part, and there's cutting fabric, or a fabric part, if you like. So knowing your machine is going to be your fundamentals, the different parts on your machine, threading your machine. I know it's quite basic, but a lot of people learn a lot from these basic videos. So, sometimes it's well worth kind of spending that hour going through different bits of your machine, and quite often you'll find new stuff. So here I just dropped down all the lessons there is in there. But yeah, basically you got a whole chapter on picking a size, how to read a size chart, what is the ease in a garment, all these really important notions that we touch on during the sew along. So if I go into one of those chapters, let's say sizes, then it's organized by lessons, and you can, like I said, you can work your way through. So there might be a little intro like here, and then how to take your measurement, how to read a size chart, how to pick a size, why does the cup matter when you pick a size, all these things. So then if we dive into a lesson, how to read a size chart, let's go there. And there you have your lesson. And as much as I could, all the lessons in the Basecamp are chaptered. So if you go here and open the video chapter, you will be able to see roughly the points I'm making, and maybe you're looking for something quite specific, it just gives you another view of what's going to be covered in that video. And if you want to jump to the finished garment measurement charts, then you can just target that. So I try to make sure that it's not a huge sea of information and you get completely lost in it. So trying to help you target what you need. But I just had a feedback from a member that is not joining on the sew along. She's been with us since the start. She hasn't joined the sew along for various reasons. You don't have to join the sew along to make the most of this. And she said she just had a really lovely, indulgent morning going through some of the videos that she missed and learned a lot. And it's it reframed the way she's going to approach one of her projects that she's got on her table at the moment. So it's is versatile and you can use things in different ways. So then you can jump from lesson, you can go to the next lesson, or you've got the quick navigation, you can jump chapter to chapter. So I hope that makes sense. And this is basically our Basecamp. Loads of information in there. There's probably a couple of things that I'll be adding over time, but this is like your safety net, your all important dressmaking information, beside what we have in the toolbox and the fitting folder. So thanks for joining this little tour. It's been really fun to show you around, and I hope to see you on the ship soon. Bye.